Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone. So in this video today I'm gonna show you that you can solve your issue about GTA 4 as when you try to open the game it shows nothing and no interface you have seen. So here is the solution. I'm gonna show you two files which I will upload on G Drive and give you the link in description. One is of a file and the second one is a text you need to copy. So first of all you need to have a look on what I want to show you. That here is the launcher of game and this file 1911.dll. this file you have to download from description, which I have uploaded on G Drive. And after downloading this file you have to copy this in your directory of your game GTA 4 main directory, main game. So the first step is you have to download the file, which is about in KBs and not a heavy file, just a simple file about 500 KBs. Download it and paste it in this directory as I have put it in already put it in my directory. Then second step is you have to send your launcher GTA to desktop. In case you have to make this shortcut of your launcher, like I'm showing this on this desktop. This is the second step. You have to create shortcut of your launcher of the game. And the third and the last setup is I'm gonna show you that what you have to do is you have to right click on your shortcut of a launcher, go to properties, and in properties you have to do something like in shortcut it shows a name on target. As have a look on this in shortcut, this is the name and target. You have to add this text which I have put in description, also in notepad file which I have uploaded in G Drive. So this is a normal name. When you open it, this will show just this name will appear, and I'm gonna paste it in notepad here so you can see. Then when you open the properties it will appear just this text as I have put it. So what you're gonna do is put a space after the text and paste the other text which I have given in the description, and also on the notepad you have to download the notepad file. Just paste after a space the text I have give you in the description, which I also show you like here. I'm pasting it here. This text you have to put after the name with a space. Put a space and paste this text, and boom, this is everything. This is just two steps. Download the file, put in the directory, change the name, shortcut, and that's all. Now I'm gonna open it and showing as it will open. Before it was not showing anything, and now it just open and immediately, and it's going very smoothly and nothing to show here. No error, no issue. It's just a game and it's beginning. So I'm gonna go to option and checking everything is okay, as it's showing no error, no issue, graphics, etc. everything is okay. So that's the game, guys. That's everything you're gonna fix. Hope you like the video. I hope this will solve your issue too, because it's just simple. And if you're gonna download the game, full game, you go to the link I have given in the description and download the full game. Like and subscribe channel. Meet you in the next video. See you.